Welcome back everybody. So guys, from this lecture we'll be talking about the Bootstrap, and we're going to talk about how Bootstrap works in our project. So first of all, we just need to make a new file. I'm going to the new file, and here I'm going to create a file. So there, I'm just saving the file as index.html and save it. Okay, now what I just need to do, I just need to make the HTML in this way, and I just need to go inside, and then the next step is to make the head. After the head tag, I'm gonna make the body tag, and the body tag done. And now I'm just gonna go inside the head tag back, and here I'm just gonna make the title. So the title is there, and what more? First of all, I'm just gonna put the title as Learn Bootstrap by Shahzaib Kamal. Okay, now I'm just gonna go to the body, and here I'm just gonna put something like I'm not gonna register for the the Sublime. By the way, I'm using the Sublime. Sublime is the greatest and cool thing, and it based on Python. The great thing in the Sublime is it's super fast, and it works in a low configuration and low requirement systems too. So go back to the work, and here I'm just gonna put something like P, and here hello world. Okay, I put it something here. The time is to check what we've made here. So I'm going to the browser, and I'm just running the localhost slash the slash and bootstrap 4 line break, and there I'm gonna go. Oh, I see. Oh, sorry, bootstrap line break, and now I got it. No, okay, so the hello world, that means we've successfully made the page here, but we need to process. We need to go to the more. To continue the work, we just need to install the Bootstrap, which is really simple. We can do this by a lot of ways. If you know about the npm, you can do this, or other ways. I think we just made the directory and the file, so installing the Bootstrap should be a little lecture, so I think we should disconnect this lecture from there. So stay tuned and goodbye.